So, this is crazy. Whoa! I want to thank you guys so much. Oh, you can see a large proportion of my setup. But anyway, congratulations on achieving 40 subscribers on your new channel. That's very cool. And it's from YouTube. There's Snowball. And it's got my first name, last name. This is my purple YouTube play button. So subscribe if you're new. Let me polish this because it's got a lot of, fingerprints on it. But guys, Merry Christmas. This is an amazing Christmas present. I want to thank you guys very much for subscribing, and it definitely tops this play button right here. So I'm keeping that one, but this is the one that I'm going to be keeping for a very long time. This is not DIY'd, completely truthful. This is a real play button. Made out of metal too, but you can see it's a real frame, and it said do not take this thing out of the frame. So this is amazing. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, Merry Christmas, you guys. Hopefully you're having a good day, and I want to thank you so much. So yeah, new videos every single day. Hope you subscribe, and I'll see you later. See ya.